Hola mis amores, today is day 223 of my 365 days of things I took for granted but I'm thankful for. Today I am very thankful for going to sleep with Antonio. He's asleep. You might hear him snore because he is completely out. But it's the small things that we take for granted that later we miss. So be thankful, be grateful, and enjoy those moments that you spend with your partner, because when they're gone, that's what you miss the most. So treasure all the little moments, even the loud snores.